A very good morning to all. So in today's session, we are going to learn how to write or how to create a new post in the WordPress using the default editor. So let's see how to work with it. So first of all, when you log into the dashboard of WordPress and try to create a post, let me show you practically. Uh, so here is the dashboard where I already have logged in. Then if I want to create a post, for that I just have to click on post, then click on add new. See, so now you will see this particular thing. So it is the default view, it is the default editor of WordPress. So it might be difficult for you to work in this particular environment. uh, First, we will discuss about this environment, that about the default editor. After that, I will tell you about the classic editor in which you can easily work. Okay, so let's see first about this. So let's go to slides again. So here is it. First of all, how to add title and content blocks. One main thing you have to remember is that in this particular theme or in this editor, like the default editor, all work can be done with the help of blocks. Everything you want to include, you can include using the blocks. So if you want to write the title, for that you have to use block editor. So at the top you will enter your post title, like a demo post. Then if you want to add content, for that you need to add a block. So there are multiple add block buttons on the screen that you can select and add a block. So let me show you this one practically. So here is the title link. So just write a demo post. Okay, so to add a block, you can see a plus sign is there. Just click on it. Now it is saying what type of block you want. Like I want an image, suppose. Just click on the image. Okay, so in this default editor you can add images by clicking this image and simply click the upload button to provide a image. So here you can see the image appears here. You can increase the size of this by just dragging and this. Okay, so now next we have different blocks here, like heading block is there, paragraph is there. If you want another, then you can see browse all. So we have different options, like regarding media we have image, gallery, audio. So different features are there. So for design, if you need buttons, columns, so many options are there, but sometimes it might be difficult for you to work in this particular environment. Okay, next we have, see, we have different options, like here is the preview link. By this you can see the preview, and also in this view you get three options here, like in responsive websites you can view your WordPress website in desktop, tablet, mobile in a with the same interface. So here you can see the desktop interface. If you click on mobile, the interface gets smaller according to the mobile size, according to tablet. So here is the preview image. Then we have publish button. If I'll just click on publish, it will publish on the server. So many options are there, and you can say options are clearly visible at the top or at this button. Then we have, if you want to add categories and tags, so for that what you have to do, see, you have to click on this button. Here is the post link and here is the block link. So in this particular post part, you can see here are the categories. So previously we have make these categories, so that's why these are visible here. If you want to make another category, just click on new category, name category new, under which category you want it, add new category. Okay, so category, under category 1 you will get category new. Another options are there, like here is a featured image. So what is it? That featured image, also known as type of thumbnail, so is the main article image which represents the content. Okay, so by here you can just upload the image and you will get this featured image. So here is the featured image. Okay, now after that we have adding excerpts. This one, what is that? You can say it is just like the summary, and it is optional too. So these are the summary of a blog post or article. Most WordPress themes can automatically generate the excerpt from the first few lines of your post. So now next is the changing post URL slug or permanent link. By default, WordPress uses SEO friendly URLs for your blog post. So it will automatically uses your post title as the permanent link. Sometimes if you want to change this name, then you can done this way, like here is the permanent link and here is the URL, it is the address. So if you want to change this URL, you can change it by this particular option. Next we have changing author. So if you run a multi-author WordPress site, then you can also change a post author and assign it to a different author on your website by this option, status and visibility, and here is the author name. Next we have discussion. See, in discussion what happens, so here you can like if you want to allow comments on your blog post, so for this we use this discussion post. Next we have options added by WordPress plugins. So most of the popular WordPress plugins will also add their own options to the post. Like some will available as blocks while others will be available as the small boxes like meta boxes. For example, you can say if you want to add a contact form, so whenever you use WP forms, the best WordPress contact form plugin adds a block to insert contact forms in your post and pages. Same way, if you want to, like this, in this I have used this WP forms. So same way, if you want to add all-in-one SEO, so for that they add a meta box for SEO. We will discuss that practically. Then last not least we have publishing options. So the default WordPress edit screen is divided into two columns. Two main parts are there. The left is where you write content, here, and the right column has all post settings including publishing options. So by 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers I have shown some options. So first of all, let's see first one. Save draft link allows you to quickly save changes you made to a WordPress post. Second, we have preview button. So preview button will open a live preview of your post or page in the browser tab. Third, we have publish. Once you are all done editing your post, you can click on the publish button to make your post go live. Next, we have number 4, that is visibility. So WordPress gives you a few options to control the visibility of your post. So default option is public, but if you want to change it to private, then you can do this by this option. Next we have 5, that is immediately. So it allows you to control when a post is published. Like if you want to publish it immediately, or if you want to set a particular time, day, then you can done this with this particular setting. Next we have number 6, that is stick to the front page. That means it will make a post sticky or featured. This makes the specific post appear on the top of other posts. Next we have pending review. So this option will add a custom status next to your post as pending review. So you can say this feature is particularly helpful on multi-author blogs where you can say contributors can just say post and not publish them. Last we have move to trash. So if you want to delete a post, then you can click on move to trash button. So WordPress will send the post to trash. Next we have edit screen options. So if you want to edit your post, for that what you have to do, it allows you to show and hide panels from the edit screen. You can just clicking on the three dot menu like I have shown you in the here. You can see by this there are different options. Okay, so we have different tools like block manager, keyboard shortcuts, copy all contents. So here we have different options. Okay, so by this you can see like top toolbar if you want to view, then spotlight mode, full screen mode if you want to see the full screen mode, or top toolbar mode. So you can select here. If you want to see the code editor, just click on it. It will display the code, and this code is something like your HTML code. So here are different tools like block manager. So if you want to search for a particular block, then just type slash or write the name of your block like list. Okay, so here are different options, but I think this default editor is difficult to work. So in next session I will explain you how to use the classic editor. So for that you have to install a plugin. We will discuss about plugins also. So thank you.